Hi, I'm John and this is Foxlow Academy. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I thought it'd be really cool to take you guys behind the scenes of our working boudoir studio here in the UK. So I'm going to do a little studio tour. I've recorded this a bit differently, so this is just shot on my iPhone, and then I'm going to do a little voiceover just talking you through so you can see the space, see what we have and how we use it. We've got a beautiful building, it's 400 years old with the exposed stonework like you can see on the wall behind me, fabulous windows, beautiful natural light, but you'll see that we have studio strobes as well. And I thought it'd just be cool to give you a little sneak peek inside the studio. So let's head over to that now. So this is our studio. This is Hopkinson's house. It's an old merchant's house from the 1600s. It's a beautiful old building, and the little town that our studio is based in is absolutely beautiful. It's called Wirksworth in Derbyshire in the UK. So let's head inside. This is the first room our clients will come into when they arrive. As you can see, we have beautiful shoes on display. And when they arrive, we'll sit down at the table and go through their outfits and see what they've brought with them so we can start planning the shoot. The shoes are available to borrow because not everyone has bought a great selection of shoes with them, so we have that option. And we also have some robes and white shirts that they can use to accessorise their shoot as well. I'll take you through that door in a minute. Over here we've got the alcove area with a bed, so we use a couple of different configurations of this area. Depending on the look we want to do, sometimes we shoot backlit and other times we shoot just with the nice white bedding into the tapestry you saw behind. This is camera corner. This is the area of the studio that I keep all the camera equipment, and let's just have a little look. I know you're all interested at what's inside those cupboards. So here we've got a bottle of Bollinger, very posh champagne that one of our clients bought us, which was very nice as a thank you. Cameras are shoot with Sony A7 IIIs. Inside, that's one of my favourite things about the studio, the little light up drawers. But obviously batteries, you can never have too many batteries. We've got external flashes, battery chargers, leads, mini tripods, random mini crowbar, tape and modelling bulbs, microphones and various kind of bits and bobs, clamps, etc. that come in handy. Spare camera and some boxes. I tend to hoard boxes. In this cupboard we've got my oversized water bottle, a couple of tripods, a reflector and some camera bags, or I think those bags are actually for the lights that we have in the makeup room. And then this one is all our podcasting equipment. So we haven't actually recorded a podcast yet, but it's on the books one day. And then through here is the main studio. So this is where we do probably 70-80% of our shooting, because we've got these amazing big windows that just allow loads of natural light in. We've got windows on both sides as well. Over here is the changing room. So this is where our clients can have some privacy, changing outfits. It's just a curtain to pull across, which means we can still chat to them whilst they're changing and keep the nerves at bay by keeping the conversation flowing. This is a new addition to the studio. We've got the little green area with the plants. And then we've got the blue sofa, which has become one of our favourite posing props. We do a lot of stuff there. And in the corner here, we have a selection of fans and heaters. These are really important because you want your clients to be comfortable in the summer and in the winter. This is the viewing room. It also doubles up as our makeup room. So this is where our clients will come for a bit of pamper time. And in here, we have lots of sample products. That was frame chevrons. We have frames on the wall. We have panels and we have sample albums. It's really important that you're showing your clients the products that you want to sell. So we have sample products everywhere, and we always leave our clients, give them a bit of time to sit and look through the albums. And it gives clients a chance to actually appreciate the quality of the products. This is the makeup. So when our clients arrive, they come in, we have a chat, and then they go through to hair and makeup. We get them a glass of bubbly or naked material coffee. And on the wall, we have a metal panel. These are one of our favourite products, the Illumini panels. So I hope you guys found that interesting. If you've got any questions, if there's anything you want to ask me about the studio, about setting up a studio, please feel free to pop any questions in the comments. I'll answer as many as I can. Obviously, if you like and subscribe the video, that's really helpful to us too. And if you want to know more about how to price your work, check out this video up here.